So I deleted the previous section assembly. Again I will delete this subassembly from here where I imported. I change the code here and I will save again, and then again I will import this one. There is another trick inside this one today. We will discuss the spelling of the datum. If you write capital letter of datum and if you write this part, already I use this assembly here, so it's showing the message. So I was talking about if you write datum in capital letter and small letter, what will happen. Today we will discuss that one. Mostly people facing that problem also. So let's rename this one the same as we write before. Again I will insert my assembly. The parameter you can check from here. What we put here inside, if you check here, the same parameter 2.1, 1.11, 1 ratio 1 3 is almost the same, 2.111 and 3. So you can control by parameter your assembly. Also if you check, I change the datum here but I write in capital letter. So if I write in capital letter, what will happen? Today we will discuss this. It will again leave this to wall because Civil 3D follows the same code is using by itself. So if I can adjust the parameter from here. If I increase the value, the width will be increased accordingly, and you can change the values from here. What we put there is appearing here, so you can control your dimension parameter here with the help of this subassembly properties. Okay, I will copy the daylight from the above assembly, and then I will move little bit. So sometimes you need labels on your subassembly which one you created in the subassembly composer. So if you want to insert that one, the labels on your subassembly, how you will insert this link, point and shape. You can see they are not appearing here. So how you will import this one? This first of all you select import code and import this one here. The next point also import code from the subassembly because it will not take automatically. You must import this code which you have created inside the subassembly composer, and then it will appear here. You can see now the center line which I created in subassembly composer. So I can create label for that. And the previous label was view edit, so I will follow the same process as the view edit. And now you can see on the center it's appear like if I want to create on the edges of the subassembly or the step anywhere from here, suppose, and for the link if I need something like slope in description I can insert from here. You can see the label style. Let's go and select any one up here and you can create new one. Suppose I want to create a grade, so it is horizontal, it's showing horizontal because it's very straight, so it's showing the no slope here. Same like you can adjust the text from going inside here and edit. So I will select again none. Okay, again if I want to create label on the edges, suppose for the gravel edge or the left edge of the sand which I have created, I will select the label style from here, and for the left side and right, also for the right side. Now you can see both the left side and right side have their own label now. The same like for the step, slope, area, for each and every point, link and shape you can create label style. So this is the gravel, font code is gravel. So let's create a label for this also. I will go to the points because that was point, and I will search the gravel. For the shape, if I want, I will for the gravel, I add new shape as a gravel. So I will select here, there is I found gravel here, and for the sand I will select the pave one because I did not found sand here, so I will write just pave here. Okay, now you can see the shape and the label appear on each point, and also the shape have now appear for the gravel and sand. Okay, now let's attach this subassembly to our cross section, and see what happened if we write datum in capital letter and some small letter, what will happen. Select the target surface from here, and as I zoom the section, again the same problem. It's my datum line continues until he came to the left side toe wall, and he left the left side toe wall, and then he continued to the right side toe wall datum. So the purpose of showing this, like if I check here the gravel is font code, I must check the link code. This showing the shape code, so I must go to the subassembly composer. From there, if you can see here, it's showing the font code and shape code. So if you check here, the same process what happened in the previous time, the shape code is right, but the datum code which I coded here in subassembly composer, it done my datum line passing here, and then suddenly it left the left side toe wall. As you can see, this wall he left, he did not come across the along the to the left side toe wall. So that was the other problem I want to discuss with you. So that was the purpose to show in this one. If I check here the datum, you will see this datum in the first letter is capital and the rest is the small letter. So I will copy this one, and I will just replace the capital letter with the small letter, and then you will see what will happen. Because many times people text me that their datum line are not catching the datum points, so that is one of the reason we did not put the right spelling. This spelling is right, but this must be the first letter must be in capital letter and the rest must be in small. If I save here, and then again I will delete, I will create another subassembly, and I will import again here, again creating channel dash 1,